Alright guys, good afternoon guys. How you all doing? Today today we are going to be talking about what is trading, what is forex trading, what is stop loss, what is take profits, what is trading strategy, what is stop loss, what is take profit, what are brokers, what are pips, what are leverage. These are the 8 stuff we are going to be talking about today. I know this is your first time seeing me, so please you all should like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more intel about me. So today, this is the things we are going to be talking about today. Things you need to know and learn before you start trading. Trading is not just something you just enter inside and say, okay, you reach some certain part, I'll buy at this place, or reach some certain part, I'll sell at this place. No, that is not what trading is. Trading is a financial market whereby millions and trillions of dollars come in every day. You understand? So if you think, okay, with your maybe like with your $10 account or your $100 account, that if you enter the market you are going to become successful without knowing these things, and I'm sorry to tell you guys that you all are going to go bankrupt very, because trading is not really a thing you just start and thinking you'll get rich immediately. No. So you have to first understand these 8 things. These most important 8 things you have to understand and learn them before you start trading. So let's just jump straight to it, Sham. Let's just dive into the video straight. So today I'm going to be doing research live and be showing you guys, and I'll briefly explain as I'm doing research for you guys. So I'm using my phone today, so I'm going to be showing you guys what meaning of trading. What is trading? You understand? So let's dive into it. So I'm at my Safari browser right now. I've actually opened most of them down. So okay. So now, as you can see, if you search up the word on Safari, on Google, or anywhere, what is trading, or you ask an AI what is trading, to tell it is an action and activities of buying and selling and goods and services. You understand? So goods and services in a way where you go to, let's say now you have like, we Nigerians now, let me use my Nigeria self as an example. I go to the market with like 10,000 naira now, and I want to get maybe like, rice, beans, and some other things. So with that money I have now is what I'll use to get these goods I need. You understand? The goods I need. So me paying cash now, I'm using that cash to get the goods I need and the services. So it's buying and selling of goods and services. You understand? This also refers to the exchange of goods and services between economies across. Since transactions are casually happening daily, trading is generally considered to benefit both parties. You understand? So it's not something that it's only me and you. It also happens country by country, whereby like now in Nigeria we supply crude oil and other things. We are also getting income, and we are also getting things that benefit us. You understand? So now that is what trading is. Now I'm coming back to what trading is in forex. It's also like the same thing, but this time around you are doing it on your phone, and it is not goods and services, it is currencies. You understand? You are exchanging currencies. Like when you, like, let's say now, for example, now you go to Aboki now, and you have like maybe $100 now in Nigeria. Now you go to Aboki with the Nigeria now, you just reach there like, okay, I have $100, I want to exchange this to like my own currency. How much you go give me? You understand? You guys understand? How much will you give me? It will tell you the price of dollar. It will tell you, okay, this your certain amount of dollar is going to get you this so currency amount. That is what is going to break down for you. It's going to tell you, okay, this, let's say that $100 now in where I stay now in Nigeria now, $1 is equals to 1,600. That is Nigeria currency. So $100 is 160k now. So if you go to Aboki now, it will tell you, okay, this is the so price for dollar. Now waiting, I go give you be this. So see how much. So if you guys are bargain finish, and you like the price, you like what he's offering, you take the opportunity, you swap your dollar, you collect your Nigeria currency. You understand? Him, you will see his gain, you will see your gain. That is all things about financial exchange. But this one, you are not doing it aboki to aboki. You are not doing it like physical, like you're not going to aboki to exchange your currency. This one, you are doing it on your phone. You understand? You are doing it on your phone. You are exchanging Canadian dollar to US dollar. You are exchanging US dollar to euro. You are exchanging Japanese yen to US dollar. You are exchanging GBP USD to US dollar. That is Great British Pound to US dollar. So you are exchanging a lot of currency pairs, but you are not doing it physically. You are doing it on your device. You will understand. So that is what meaning of trading is. You understand? That is what forex also means. So, but let me also still give you guys example of forex. Let me just meaning of forex: the foreign exchange market, forex or currency market, a global decentralized or over the counter, which is OTC markets for traders and currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency, including all aspects of buying, selling, and exchanging currencies at current or determined price. So this is also the example I gave to you. I just gave you a brief example. Now, this is what Safari is saying. I just gave you an example. You guys will understand. You guys can grab immediately. So this is just a brief example I just explained for you all. Now, it is quite the same thing I said. Now, that is what it is here now. Foreign exchange rate for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying and selling and exchanging currencies at a current or determined price. You understand? So when you carry that same $100 now and you go to aboki now, okay, the price have already be certain that okay, a dollar is 1,600. Now he can tell you that okay, he go give you a dollar for 1,500 or 1,450. So he will see his own gain and commissions from there. You understand? His own profits. You can, if you agree with his price, fine, you go with him. If you don't agree with his price, you bargain with him, and you guys will discuss prices that you can accept, that you can collect, and that is going to be suitable for you. You understand? For you, and benefits you too. You understand? So that is what forex is. That is what forex exchange market is. You understand? So I believe I've touched on what is trading and forex. I also created a video on mastering on my YouTube channel. I created a video of mastering trading stuff. So now let's go to meaning of, that is number 3. Now we are touching down on what number 3 now. Meaning of trading strategy. What is a trading strategy? A trading strategy is just a series. I didn't do research for this. This is something I already know about. So I will still do research if you guys want. I can still ask Safari what is the meaning of trading strategy. But to my own research, to my own understanding, trading strategy is just a series of patterns that happens frequently in the markets. Patterns, things you see every day in the market. Like when you open your charts now, you can see candlesticks moving up, candlestick going down. So these are patterns that we see every day. In fact, it's happened every day. As we are speaking, as I'm explaining now to you guys, it is currently happening. If I open charts for you, it is currently happening. Candlesticks are moving up and down. Let me just open charts for you guys to show you what I'm talking about. So okay, let me just open this. This is where I do my analysis, and this is where I do my. It is a free platform. You all can go to the platform. You can also do back testing here on this platform. So let me just open it down and show you what I am now. Now when you go like this, now you see there are a series of patterns that happens frequently in the market now. I mean, look now. See a lot of green candlesticks. See a lot of red candlesticks. These are patterns that happen every time, like this on a daily basis. Trillions and trillions of dollars happens. Like people are making money from forex every day. People are making money. It's also where the people are losing money. You understand? So it is not if you think it's a rich scheme or whereby you just jump in straight and start making money. I am sorry for you. Without knowing things you need to know, you are going to lose a lot. And this is what this YouTube channel is for, that to guide you, to make you understand what trading is, so you can be on the right path. We are not yet profitable. I'm still learning. I won't say I am profitable yet, but the knowledge I have now might be more extent past you, that you are still trying to understand what trading is. I have learned what trading is for the past up to a year now, but I have not really be making money in it. You understand? I'm still an upcoming forex trader. I will classify myself as an upcoming forex trader, but I have informations, and that is what I am trying to pass down here on YouTube. If you are interested to learn, you listen to my informations and stick to the advice, so you can all become profitable. As I'm being profitable, you all can also become profitable in the process. You'll all understand. So this is something that this is something that you don't need to rush. It's something you have to first understand. Something you have to first go through. Calm down, relax, and learn it. It's just like when you go to school now, and you decide to study a course for like 4 years, 3 years, and you're like, after 4 years, 3 years, sure, you will tell me that after that 4 years, 3 years, you didn't learn anything? No, now, I mean, you can't tell me that. Like all your losses and everything, all your pay, all your money and everything will go down to the drain like that. It's not possible. So I believe that is how trading is. That is the way me I see trading. So it's either you learn it the hard way or you learn it the easy way. So I would love all of you to learn it the easy way, because I have actually learned my own the hard way, and it's not really something that is good, as far as you are in Nigeria, and economy is hard, and things are going on in the country, and we don't have a lot of helpers these days. So I'm just trying to, if you are in Nigeria, you feel me, you guys will know what I'm talking about. So let's dive back to the video. Sorry for taking time. So we were talking about trading strategy now. So these are series of patterns that happen frequently in the market now. Now look at this particular candlestick now. Look at how the candlestick. Let me go down to a lower time frame. Let me go down to like the 3-minute time frame. Now look at, you can see now. Look at, these are patterns that happen daily, on a daily basis. These are patterns that happen daily. When you come to the chart, you see all this candlestick going up, going down, creating higher highs, lower low. These are things that happen frequently in the market, that we traders build rules around and give us a high probability of being right. You understand? See, nobody's actually right in forex. So nobody's actually right and tell you that, okay, you see this trading strategy, or if you do it, you have a 100% win rate. No, nothing you want to tell me. I've not seen a forex trader that will tell you that. A forex trader, there are a lot of scammers outside that will tell you, okay, with this strategy you have a 100% win rate. Once you do this, do that. See, market can decide to go deep than you think. You understand? It can decide to take you out like in an instant, like so, like fucking fast, like so fast. It can decide to take you out. Like let's say you enter, let's say now I buy now in this place now. I expected the market to go up. It can take me, like it can just go down straight and take me out and still go in my direction. So like, see, you guys have to first understand what trading strategy is. You understand? You all have to first understand what it is. Now there are different types of trading strategies, so I won't be talking about that in the video today, because I have already made a list of what we'll be talking about in the videos. But let me just mention, I will mention 4 types of trading strategies that I have learned and I have tested, and I picked one out of it and decided, okay, yes, I'm going to stick with this one. Now, there are a lot of trading strategies now. There are 4 that I know that I've learned, and I understand, and I decided to choose one out of those 4. You understand, to invade the market and make profits, even though we are not yet making money like that yet. So the 4 that I have learned is: 1, candlestick patterns; 2, order blocks; 3, other blocks are also like supply and demand too. Then 4, most popular ones that all of you all know: support and resistance. Everyone know, if you are a new beginner, that is the early thing all of us we all learnt. Me, I learnt it: support and resistance. You understand that? So I was a new beginner, I learnt that, but I decided that, okay, no, support and resistance is a good trading strategy, but it is not just for me. You understand? There are some certain things you reach in your stage in your life that you be like, okay, this is not for me. This is not for me. I'll do this. No, this cannot work out. You change plans. So I have done a lot of backtesting in support and resistance. I have done a lot of things in support and resistance, and I decided, okay, that this strategy is not just for me. So trading strategies I just mentioned, there are 4: candlestick pattern, order block, supply and demand, support and resistance. These are all trading strategies that happens frequently in the market. Then we build rules around that to give us a higher probability of being right. You understand? So now, hope you all understand what is the meaning of a trading strategy. Now I would like to go further. Let's go back to where I made rules about now. Now we are going to talk about what is stop loss. What is stop loss? What is take profits? Now, in terms of what stop loss is let's just talk about what a stop loss is, then we'll dive in more deeper. Let me just go to where I've done research and I'll break down to you what they are talking about. Now, a stop loss order is a type of trading design. It is a type of trading order designed to limit a trader's potential losses on a position. It automatically closes a position when the market reach a specified level, allowing traders to manage their risk exposure and protecting their investment from significant losses. So what this means is that, let's say now you enter a trade now. Okay, as I said before, let's use this as an example. I enter a trade now in this place now. Okay, I was like, okay, as I see this is going up. Let us use the trading strategy as I explained for you guys. Which is the support and resistance now. Let me just join a trade. I just want to briefly explain. This is not how I trade though. So I just want to explain for you guys, so you guys will understand what stop loss is and what take profits is. So hold on. Yes, okay, I was looking for hold on, let me okay, I think it should be here now. Let's see. Yes, now this is just a brief example. Now I draw a trend line now. From here to here. I draw a trend line now, and I'm saying, okay, in this trade now, the candlestick have come and tapped my trend line, and I want to take a buy like this now. So now, let's say I enter a buy in this place. After a break of this candle, I enter a buy here. Now, as you can see this, you can see this red light down now is what they call stop loss. Okay, I decide now I'm going to put my stop loss right under this candlestick. Go to my take profit should be 1:2 risk to reward. I'll explain what 1 is to 2 risk to reward is. 1 is to 2 risk to reward. Now this now, let's say I take a buy after a break of this candle now, because of my trading strategy. Now I draw a trend line. The candlestick have come to my trend line. I decide that as it has touched my trend line, it has bounced off it. So I'm going to wait for a break of candle and I'll take a buy right here. So now let's say let's use that same example now as that $100 now that we use in that Aboki example. Now I carry that $100 now in this market. Okay, I enter here. Now the amount of money I am willing to lose, let's say now out of that $100 I am willing to lose 10%, which is equivalent to like $10. The amount of money I am willing to lose is what they call stop loss. The amount of money that I put that my broker should take me out once it has reached $10. If it does not go in my profit, I reach $10, my broker should take me out. That is the amount of money I am willing to lose. You all understand the amount of money I am willing to lose. That I have accepted that yes, so I have lost this trade. There's nothing I want to do again. I don't want to revenge. I don't want to do anything. Once I've lose it, I've lose it. It goes in my profit, fine. It does not, fine. That is the amount I'm willing to lose. So that is what stop loss is. Stop loss is telling your broker now, see, we have a break of candle. Now if I had taken now, I would have been in this trade now, putting my stop loss in 1.35571. So the amount of money that I am willing to lose, that I'll be like, this is the amount I'm willing to lose. That once it has reached $10, you all should take me out. I'm no more trading again. That is what stop loss is. Amount of money you are willing to lose that you tell your broker. I will explain what broker is in a short period of time very soon. So that is what stop loss is. Now, what is take profit? Take profit is the amount of money that whereby the chart is going in your direction and you are in profit. You say now I am willing to lose $10 and I am willing to make $20. So I place this trade now. It's going in my profit. I'm up $10. So once it has reached $20, take me out of this trade. That is what take profit is. You set a limit order whereby you tell your brokers that once it has reached $20, take me out of this starting place. Let's say now I'm in this trade now and it has done a risk to reward of 1:2. So once it has reached 1.35671, that is my take profit, which is equivalent to 1:2. So if it has reached that amount, I've made $2. I have made $20. Take me out of this trade. That is the definition of take profit and the definition of stop loss. Now, let me show you these two in my Safari. Now, see, it says take profits orders are limit orders that are closed when a specified profit level is reached. As I said, that $100 you put it, you are in profit of $20. Tell your broker if he wants to reach $20, take me out of it. Specified profit is reached. Limit price for take profit orders are placed using either fundamental or technical analysis. Take profit orders are beneficiary for short-term traders interested in profiting from a quick bump in the security course. That is what take profit is. I have explained what take profit is. I have explained what stop loss is. So, take profit. Let me read it again. Take profits and orders are limit. Take profits. Orders are limit orders that are closed when a specified profit level is reached. Limit price or order are placed using either fundamental or technical analysis. Take profit orders are beneficiary for short-term traders interested in profiting from a quick bump in the security courses. So, like as I said again, and I'll still keep saying it, you have $100 now. You could give it to your broker, bam, and you see a trade you like, you enter the trade and you set your stop loss. My stop loss is once it has reached $10, once I'm down $10, take me out of this trade. That is what stop loss is. Take profit is once I'm up $20, take me out of this trade. A limit order that are closed when a specified profit level is reached. That is what take profit is. I hope you guys can understand this, and I've tried my best to explain this to you guys. If you cannot understand, you can listen to the video again and again for you to understand what stop loss and take profit is. Yeah, let's go to what are brokers. Because see, brokers is important for you to even, like, you need to first understand what brokers are before thinking of what stop loss and take profit is. Because you can't just go into the market and say you want to start buying. I mean, where do you want to be placing the trade? Like, where do you want to be seen? Who wants to help you and place the trade? So let me explain what forex broker are. A forex broker is a financial service company that offers you a platform to traders who buy and sell foreign currencies. Now, what this is trying to say is that now, let's say now you go to bank now, like your normal bank now in Nigeria now, Access Bank, FCMB, Diamond, UBA, or GTB Bank. You go to bank now in Nigeria now, Zenith Bank. You go to bank now in Nigeria now, and you're like, okay, you all should help me keep this certain amount. Take this is 100,000 naira. You want to put it in down to deposit it in my bank. I want to use this. When I want to use it later, I will come back for this. So brokers are like banks. Is where you put your money inside. Where you put my money inside that you'll be allowed to use to trade, and they are financial services company that offers you a platform to traders who buy and sell. They are the one that offer you where you trade, where you execute your trade. They are the one that offer you where you put your stop loss. They are the one that offer you where you set your take profits. They are the one that offer you all this, your break-even trade, your stop loss, your take profit. They are the one that offer you all this. Without them, there's no way we can trade. There's no way as a forex trader for us to be able to trade without brokers. So brokers are essential. Brokers are what? Essential. They are regulated broker and irregulated broker. So regulated brokers are brokers that whereby they offer you percentage for you. Like, let's say now you have $100 now. You understand now? And you want to trade $100 now. See, but for you to trade at $100 now, you must have a certain amount, like, in your account. Without brokers, so I'm saying without brokers, you must have a certain amount to trade. I mean, nobody can enter the market and say he wants to trade with $100,000. See, if you want to open a trade of one standard lot size now, or let's just use a standard lot size now. Who in their right sense that want to start forex trading now, that will start forex trading with $100,000? There's no one. I mean, like, nigga, where the fuck do you want to see the money from? Where do you want to see the money from? So those brokers are the ones that give you that financial services whereby they allow you to execute trade with one standard lot size with just your $100. They are the one that, let us say, they are the one that bring 99% of the, or they are the one that bring 99% of the money, and they just say, okay, you come bring 1%. You come just put 1%. You understand? So they are the one that bring 99% of the money, and they'll be like, okay, you come bring 1%. You understand? So that is where, from brokers, that is where leverage come in. You understand? Brokers is called leveraging. They give you leverage. So let me explain what leverage are. I believe I'm diving into number 8 now. What is leverage? Now, let me explain what leverage. Now, leverage works by using a deposit known as margin to provide you with increased exposure to an underlying assets. Essential. You are putting down a fraction of the full value of your trade, and your provider is loaning you the rest. Your total exposure compared to your margin is known as leveraging ratio. Now, as I explained before, brokers are the ones that give you leverage. They're the one that gives you money to trade. They're the one that gives you this amount. Like, no one can just enter forex with just $100,000. I mean, no one in their right senses will enter forex with just $100,000. I mean, it's not possible. See, I don't want to know how rich you are. It's not possible. Like, you go surely feel you will definitely feel it in your body, like something left your body. $100,000. No one can just. That is, you are just opening a one standard lot size. So brokers are the ones that come in and be like, okay, you see, let's help people to trade more. They bring 99% of the money, and they'll just say, okay, you come, you will want trade, you come, you that you want to trade, come, bring your 1%, come, I will help you. So you carry that 1%, you go to broker, like you carry the $100, you go to broker, and they give you a leverage. Okay, give you a leverage of let's say they give you a leverage of 1:500 or 1:100. Let's not go far. 1:100 or 1:500 or 1:1000. There are even brokers that give you leverage to unlimited. Like, with just your $100, you can open trade of like $500,000. You can open trade of like $1 million with just your $100. So there are brokers that give you leverage, like crazy ass leverage. Now, my advice as a beginner, you should always start with leverage of 1:500 or 1:100. That's if you are trading 100,000. If you are trading $100 account. Now, the way you multiply it to know how much lot size you'll be able to open without leverage. I will explain what lot size are. Lot size you'll be able to open with that leverage is, now they give you a leverage of 1:500. Now, 500 times your $100. That is the leverage. That is the amount of money you have to play around with. That is the amount of money you have to play around with in the market. That is the amount of money you have to play around with while trading. You understand? 500. Let's do it now. 500 times $100. You have 500 times $100. That is $50,000. That is $50,000 you have to play around with in the financial markets. I mean, in your right senses now, can you deposit $15,000 like straight up? You just started trading and you just deposited $50,000. There's no possible way for you to just start and deposit $50,000. It's not possible. I mean, you will definitely feel it. I don't want to know who you are. I don't want to know how rich you are. You will feel it. So you have to start small. You understand? You have to first start from somewhere. You have to start small. So that is what leverage is. That is what leverage is. Brokers too. That is what they are. Brokers are companies that give you certain amounts to trade with. That gives you financial service. Companies that offer a platform to traders where you can execute your trades, where you can buy or sell whatever you want to sell. Now, let's now explain what is lot size. Now, what is lot size? A standard lot size in forex is equal to 100,000 currency units. It is the standard lot size for traders, whether they are independent or institutional. Example, if Euro USD now, they are giving us example now. If Euro USD exchange rate was $1.30, one standard lot size of that base currency, which is Euro USD, would be 130,000 units of it. So now you see what I'm trying to tell you now. This is what I'm trying to tell you now. Lot size are lot size whereby they are lot size whereby the amount a standard their lot size in forex whereby is equal to 100,000 current units. It is equal to 100,000 currency units. Like once you enter forex now, it's advisable as a beginner you start with the lowest lot size, which is 0.01. You understand? there's what they call micro lot size too, but we'll not go down deep into that. That will be another video for another day. So we start with 0.01. Now they give us an example. Now one standard lot size of a base currency would be 107,300 units. Now let's say now, for example, now you go to Euro USD. Let me use the live chart and let me use the market for example. This is you all see this trade. See this trade, guys. Like, yes, I'm here now. We're up close like maybe 1%. I don't know, but this is not my trading strategy. No trading strategy. So now, let's dive back to what we're seeing now. See GBP USD now. It is at 1.35600 now, and they told us lot size are sorry guys. They told us lot size in forex is equals to 100,000 currency units. That is 100,000 of that currency use, and the currency use of GBP USD is 1.365. Now, for example, now as GBP USD is 1.365, if you are using one standard lot size, you have to have 100,000, like $136,000, 136,000 units for you to be able to exchange that currency to USD. And tell me, where do you want to see 136,000 units? So that is where what brokers come in. That is where what leverage comes in. You understand? For example, now let's say you are using a leverage of 1:2,000 now, and you have $100 account. Now times that $100 times 2,000. That is, you have a leverage to play around with 200,000. So you can open a standard lot size of 1 if you have a $100 account now. If you carry that $100 account now and go to your broker, I'll give you guys example of broker, and I will leave the link in the description below for you guys to register with the broker I'm using. You have 200,000 units to play around with. Now we did the calculation. That's if you have a leverage of 1:2,000. Now you carry that your $100. Okay, I have $100. Oh, my broker, take this $100. Oh, I want to use it to trade. Oh, and they will say, okay, oh, you come, oh, bring the $100. Oh, I will help you financially and add the remaining units. So it's like you are bringing 1% and they're bringing the rest, like 99% of whatever you are bringing. So nobody in their right senses now, you want to enter this GBP USD now, you want to trade it to a standard lot size. Nobody in their right senses now is ready to deposit $136,000, like just to open one standard lot size. So like nobody as a beginner in their right senses now, we put that certain amount down. There's no possible way. I don't want to know who you are. Like, I don't want to know who you are. There's no way. You will need brokers. That's why brokers are important. See, without brokers, I don't know where forex would have gotten to, if I'm being honest, because like people will not stress their safe, because people will be there. So there are some people that is willing to put that amount to, but like 99% of traders will not exist in this world. Because do you know what is 200,000 units? So let's say, do you know what is 136,000 units just to open one standard lot site? So that's where brokers come in, and that's where brokers come in. The brokers are financially, they are the one that help us. They are the one that is at our back. That's okay. Bring the $100. So let me help you add the remaining one. Just like now, let me use an example. My fellow Nigerians now. You don't have money now. You don't have enough money. Now, you go to where you can loan an amount. Now, you go to microfinance. You say, okay, you guys should give me 200,000 naira. That okay, I have 50,000 naira. I need 200,000 naira. They will tell you, okay, deposit a certain amount. They can tell you, okay, put 30% of that 50,000 down, or put 60% of that 50,000 down. Then we'll be able to give you $200,000. 200,000, sorry, dollar. Na dollar we dey deal with, so dollar don enter my head. $200,000, 200,000 naira. So they will like telling you to give you they'll be telling you to put that certain amount of your 50,000 naira to collect the 200,000 naira. So that is, just view brokers the way I explained microfinance are. Just view the way, but they are different. These ones are not, they don't give you loan, they just give you support to help you trade with your $100. You understand? So as the example we did, you have to have 136,000 units to be able to trade with one standard lot size. That's if you want to take a trade in GBP USD. So that's why brokers are important, and that's where leverage comes in. Leverage are like, it help you multiply the amount you are able to play around with. Yeah, as I did an example now, you have a leverage of 1:2,000 and you have $100 account. You are able to play with you are able to play around with a $200,000 account. Like, you are able to play with a $200,000 in the financial market. You understand what I mean. I hope you understand. If you don't understand what I mean, you can also go back to the videos and try to understand what I mean. So that is the meaning of brokers, leverage, and what lot size is. So now I would like to go back to where we are coming from. I believe I've explained few things for you guys. I believe you guys have understand what I mean. Now I would like to first explain what is pips. What is pips? Now, pips. Let's see. Now, what is pips? In a foreign exchange market, a percentage in points. Pips is a unit of change in an exchange rate of a currency pair. A pip is the smallest whole unit price move that an exchange rate can make based on forex market conversion. Now let me explain what they mean by that. Now, let's say as a human being now, let's just use this normal explanation. We'll still go deep. Let's say as a human being now, you take a step now. You are going, let's say now I'm coming out from my room now, and I take 2 steps, bam. 2 steps, I'm already making progress heading out from my room. So the way they calculate in human form is step. That is the same way they calculate in forex. Forex is called pips. Now, let's say now price moves from, let me use the live chart, because I believe you guys will understand once I'm using a live chart for you guys. Now look at this. You can see this trade is moving up in our favor, at least. Now look at this red line. You all should focus your eyes on this red line, this 1.35621. You will see that in the next 16 seconds, that price will either change. Let me refresh this. Sorry guys, just hold on. I'm having a little bit of network issues. I'm just refresh that. Now, look at the way this is moving now. Look, see, you see the way it's moving. It was 1.35633. See, you see 1.35634. So the way the market is moving, like in form of human, now is the way a human being is moving step by step. It's called step by step now. Whereby you are walking, you take 1 step, you are move. Take 2 steps, you move. Now in market, you don't call it step, we call it what? Pips. The way prices fluctuate from up and down, going up, going down. Like now, see 1.35624. You guys should put your eyes in it. You see, very soon that will change. 1.35624. It went to 1.35623. You guys should just put your eyes down, so you will see what I mean by that now. See, you can see 1.35623. So the way pips is the way the market moves. Pips is the way a unit is a unit change in an exchange rate of a currency pair. Like the smallest whole unit price moves moves that an exchange rate can make based on forex market conversion. Now let me use, I believe I've used the live chat. Let me go back to that Aboki part so you all will understand now. Now you go to an Aboki now and you tell Aboki, hey, Alpha, I get $100, I want to change them to Nigeria currency, I want to change them to my currency, how much it be, it will tell you, okay, see now 1,005 something, you guys will bargain. So the way you guys are bargaining is like the way you guys are doing bargaining is what is so in live chat is called an exchange rate. It is an exchange rate. The way you guys are bargaining from, you will tell you like, okay, $1 na 1.5. You go tell her, why you dey lie for me? I know say $1 no be 1.5, $1 na 1.6. He go tell you, no, gasket I fit give you $1 na 1,560 or 1,570 or 1,580. You understand? So the exchange rate price of that, the way the exchange rate price is moving as of that moment is what is called pips in the financial market. Hope you all understand what I mean. Is what is called pips in the financial market. The exchange rate of price is what is called pips in the financial market. So I hope you all understand what I mean. I'll be diving in more of this, but our next video will be talking about basically what is trading strategy. I'll be explaining my own trading strategy, what I use to invade the market. You understand? I'll be explaining my own trading strategy, what I use. So as I said before, there are 4 different types of trading strategy. There's candlestick pattern, there's order blocks, there's supply and demand pattern, there's support and resistance pattern. So there is a lot of trading strategy. You understand? Trading strategies are things that happen frequently in the market that we build rules around that gives us a higher probability of being right. So now I've explained for you guys what pips are. You understand? I've explained for you guys. I believe I have touched down on things you need to know and learn before you even think of start trading. Meaning of trading, what is forex, meaning of trading strategy, what is stop loss, what is take profit, what are brokers, what is pips, what is leverage, and what is lot size. I didn't write down that, but I explained that in the video. So I hope you all are able to understand. I hope you are able to understand. If you don't understand, you can rewatch this video back again from the beginning, so you'll be able to understand what I mean. You can also reply. You can also reach me out in the comment section. I'll be able to reply your chats. I'll be able to respond to you. Whatever you need, I'll be able to guide you. You understand? So this YouTube channel is new, so I hope you like and subscribe the video, so we'll be able to boost this channel, we'll be able to grow this channel together, we'll be able to make money together, we'll be able to succeed together. I won't yet say I am a profitable forex trader. I won't yet say that, but I know what I am doing now in the market because I have lost a lot. I don't start documenting when I start learning. That is it. I started learning a year ago after I finished school. So I started learning a year ago. So I don't really start documenting how I lose. I know I maybe see once I sit and remember that I didn't have a mentor to teach me things. There was mentor then, but I didn't have the funds to get a mentor. But this YouTube channel now, I will not be selling any course. I will be teaching it for free. You understand? Unless you want to meet me personally and you want me to train you personally. You understand? You want me to give you insight and understand, but I will be teaching everything for free here. You are free to learn. You only need to watch the video, understand the video. You don't understand, reply in the comment section and I will reply you. I ask your question in the comment section and I reply you instantly. I'm always on YouTube 24/7. So that is what this YouTube channel is for. I hope you all like the video. I hope you all understand what forex is. I hope you understand what is trading. I hope you understand what trading strategy is. I hope you understand what is stop loss, what is take profit. I hope you understand what are brokers, what is pips, what is leverage. I hope you understand that. If you don't understand, you can rewatch the video as much as you want, so you can be able to understand what I am trying to say. So I have not shown my face yet, but I just did it. That we don't really have enough device yet to boost this channel yet. So I hope you like the video and subscribe. If you love this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, so we'll be able to grow this channel together. Alright guys, that's bye for now.